Growth should create more opportunity, not more admin. But when a business grows faster than its systems, inquiries slip through, information spreads across different tools, and the owner ends up holding everything together. What if software could learn how business works and adapt to it, instead of forcing the business to adapt to the software? I'm George Megre, founder of Ifa Solutions LLC. I've spent more than 10 years working in software development and machine learning, and I'm building Ifa to test that idea. This channel is where I'll test it openly through real business situations, honest product experiments, and conversations with owners who understand these challenges firsthand. Imagine you run a beauty salon. You have 3 employees, most inquiries arrive through Instagram and WhatsApp. You need to manage bookings, follow up with customers, organize staff tasks, and understand how the business is performing. Most software starts with tables, fields, dashboards, and automations. Ifa starts somewhere simpler, a conversation. You describe how the salon works in normal language. Ifa combines that conversation with information you already have, shows you what it understood, and asks questions when something is unclear. It then proposes a workspace around the business. Review the plan before Ifa creates or changes anything important. When the business changes, you explain the change in the same way. The idea is not to remove the owner from the process. It is to remove the technical setup that stands between the owner and a useful system. You should not need to learn how to build business software. You should be able to explain how your business works, see what the software understood, and remain in control of what happens next. But organizing information is only the beginning. A useful system should help an owner act. Which inquiries still need a reply? Which services bring customers back? Where is the team losing time? Which repeated tasks should be automated? Software cannot grow a company by itself, but it can help an owner lose fewer opportunities, understand what is working, and build processes that keep working as the business grows. That is the outcome I want Ifa to support. On this channel, every video will begin with a real question. Can Ifa turn years of scattered business files into a useful workspace? Can it help a growing team keep every inquiry on track? What changes when a business opens a second location? I'll show in the video Ifa features in practical scenarios. I'll take you behind the scenes as I build the product, including what works, what fails, and what I change because of it. I'll also interview business owners from different industries. We'll talk about how they find customers, organize teams, improve daily operations, and handle the difficult decisions that comes with growth. What those owners teach me will directly influence what Ifa becomes. Ifa is still being built, and I want to develop it openly, not pretend every problem has already been solved. This channel will keep returning to one question. Can software understand different businesses, adapt to their needs, and help their owners grow? If you run a business, tell me below, what part of your week takes more time than it should? Your answer may become the starting point for a future Ifa experiment. Subscribe to see the first one and what we learn from it.